Changing the rear anti-roll bar bushes on the Mini 1 or Mini Cooper. Now the access isn't too bad, you've just got two bolts clamping the bush in position, and you can get in with a spanner as long as you remove the wheel. I was pleasantly surprised by these bolts. They weren't seized in position like I thought they were going to be, and the heads didn't round off. The arch liner will actually fold up out of the way, which I hadn't done on the other side. The lower bolt, you can just about get a spanner in there, and fortunately neither of the bolts were seized. For some reason, I've lost the footage removing the bush, but what I did was slid it out away from the mounting position and down the anti-roll bar, where you can easily split it out and remove it. So it's basically the reverse of what I'm doing here when fitting the new bush. So this is the side that I haven't done. I was going to try and show the play. You can see a little bit of a gap there. This made a lot of noise in the car down the road, and this is the new bush. And replacing these bushes completely transformed the way that the car felt to be inside. The knocking that was present before sounded like it was a really serious fault, but it was actually just these bushes.